There's also some questions about the clinical value, and this is a study that was published by Friedley. And again, they had 400 patients over the age of 50 with back, buttock, and lower extremity pain associated with standing, walking, or spinal extension. So very much consistent with the population that we're discussing here. And their primary outcomes here are that it doesn't really matter whether or not you add a glucocorticosteroid to the local anesthetic. They're basically about the same outcome. So the question again, is it the glucocorticosteroid that's helping the symptoms, or is it just simply the lidocaine local anesthetic? This systematic review by Chu of 8 different papers included a meta-analysis, and I'm just going to read you the quote. There is limited evidence suggested to the effectiveness for spinal stenosis in regards to epidural steroid. But before we just throw it away, let's just stop and look at some of the predictors of non-success. So what are some of the negative predictors? And if you look at them, some of them are clinical, but also socioeconomic and lifestyle, smoking, unemployment, lower education. And so again, those it's not just simply the procedure, but we also have to consider the patient as well. We also have to think about, again, whether or not there might be other medications that are taking, whether or not the pain behaves in the manner that we would expect, that it is increased with physical activity, and whether or not there might be other causes for the symptoms, such as some type of space-occupying lesion within the spinal canal, and we might know that by pain being made worse by coughing.